today we'll talk something about knee pain. Knee pain can be due to many reasons. It can be due to age, like degenerative changes. Second, it can be any stress on the knee. Because you have weaker knee muscles, it can stress your knee joint. First, we will check for what reason the knee pain is. If you have knee pain at the joint line here, then it could be because of age and the degenerative changes that is occurring. It is known as early arthritis. It could be because of this. If you are having any knee pain here at the tendon, then it could be because of any stress. Because your quadriceps muscle is weak, it can generate excessive stress here, and this tendon can cause pain. If you have any pain here, it could be because of overuse of your knee joint. Like if you are stressing your knee joint, like you are bending excessive for prolonged period of time, then you can get knee pain here. What we can do for your knee pain is first check the muscles which are tight. The possible muscles which could be tight are the quadriceps, the one at the front of your thigh, the hamstrings which are back of your thigh, and the third is your calf muscles which back of your lower leg. We will stretch these three muscles first and then gradually start with the exercise. For your hamstrings, you need to just straight raise your leg as much as you can. Yes, you need to feel a stretch here, back of the thigh. Just where the range where you feel resistance, you cannot move further, you need to stop. Okay, relax. Do this for 3 times. Then we will stretch the calf. For calf, you need to just hold the heel and hold it firmly, and you need to just take your calf in. You will feel a resistance, like you cannot move further. That is because you have tightness. Just stretch it. You need to feel the stretch here and relax. Okay, the third is the quadriceps muscle. Turn this way. Like for this muscle, we can do this while lying back on the stomach, but this is the safe method, because if we do while lying on the stomach, we need to generate a pressure on knee, which is not good. It can cause more knee pain. So what we'll do is we'll just hold it from down here, support the knee, stabilize the hip, and then gradually take it back. Okay, you will feel a stretch here. Gradually push it as far as you can. The point where you feel that it's getting resisted, just hold it. So this is for quads. Okay, now we will do some knee strengthening exercises, how you can strengthen the knee muscles, because ultimately it's the weaker muscles which are causing the knee pain. Lie down on your back. There are few exercises which you can do. The first one is just static quadriceps, the static movement of your quads muscle. What you have to do is you need to press your knee down. Press it down press my hand down with your knee. Yes, down, down. You need to see the movement here, the downwards movement. Press and relax. Slowly. Again, press it down. Yes, you see the movement here, and relax. Yes, good. You are pressing the knee down here, but this whole muscle will be activated. Press it down. Yes, press, 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 and relax slowly. Yes. Just always make sure you do this with your knee. Don't use your hip to do this movement, because it's always like if you have weaker knee muscles, your hip is more tend to do the compensatory movements. Again, press it down. Yes, press and relax. Very good. Now for your hamstrings, what we can do is slightly bend your knee. Okay, now you need to press your heel down on my hand. Yes, press, 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 and relax. Okay, you can see the bulk is getting tensed here and then relaxed. Press down. Yes, press, 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 and relax. Okay, one more time. Press, 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 and relax. Okay, so these are just the static exercises. It's like there is no movement, but we just need to contract the muscle and then relax it. The third one is bend this knee. Now you need to straight lift this leg up. Okay, yes, this much. As okay, and put your ankle down. Hold this position. Hold, and relax slowly. Again, take it up. Hold, and relax. In this movement also we are focusing on activating the quads. Don't do it with your hip, because there is a tendency that people will lift the leg with the hip. So press the knee down and then lift it up. So this will maintain your quads, and hold it. Yes, relax. And one last exercise is the knee exercise. Like, we will sit, you need to sit with your leg forward. Okay, now what we will do here is, you need to just straight lift your leg. Yes, and put your ankle down. Yes, don't put your body back, it should be just straight. And relax. Again, and relax. We can modify this exercise by adding a soft towel roll here. Just suppose that this is a towel roll. Press my hand with both of your knees. Yes, press it, and then straight your leg. Yes, relax. Again, press it and relax. This will help strengthen the quadriceps muscle, and it will help in the knee pain. After exercises, we can always use the heat or cold pack to just relax the exercises. Okay, thank you.